So in Lightroom, the easiest way to export or resize a number of images is you select several images, like so. Choose Export and choose where you want them put. So you can choose a folder. Yeah, I'll just go to somewhere that doesn't matter. Make a new folder for your comp, like so. And as you scroll down here, you will see image sizing, and you could do resize to fit, select pixels, and put 1600, 1200 pixels in there.
Mike?
Yes?
That pixels per inch, what should that be?
When you're doing this, it really doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's only when you come to print it that that's important.
Okay.
So when you, because we're just making the image have that many pixels, we're not concerned as to how it resolves to a print at the moment. Okay. So just stick to the 1600 and 1200. Once you've done that, just click export, and it will, you'll see at the top there, it's saying what it's doing. It's exporting those 4 files, and it will just resize them all to be within the window for a club competition.
They've all got to be landscape or portrait, or you can't.
No, anything you like. Anything you like. So Lightroom is probably the easiest way of the lot to export out.
That way, does it automatically save them as JPEGs?
Yeah, because we chose that.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
So if we looked in the export, it was it was selected as a JPEG down here. File settings JPEG, because you can choose other things if you want. Yeah. Now, one of the things I quite like about Photoshop is the image processor, which you'll find here. So from File, Scripts, Image Processor, you can do what we were talking about earlier with elements. So you select a folder. So you choose your folder that you want to take the pictures from. So that's what I've done there. You can select Save in the same location. So they'll all be put in a subfolder in that same location. We can choose here what the file type is. So we want to put the quality up to 10 so you get the best quality. And here you can do resize to fit. And so it will resize the image to fit in the window, which is 1600 by 1200 pixels. Oops. 100 pixels. Once we've done that, you just click Run, and it will pop through and open all those files and resize them.
Oh my goodness. I've been going one at a time through image.
Ah. So there you go, they're all done now. So if I minimize that now. So this was the files that we just treated, and you've got a new folder here called JPEG, and there's all the converted versions there.
Clever.
So if you go and look at those, look at the properties, you'll find, look, they all fit within 1600 by 1200.
Sorry to be dim, Mike, but where physically are those photographs located? Are they on your desktop or in? Because I do everything through Lightroom, and Lightroom keeps it in Lightroom.
Yeah, this is just pictures out of the file system that I've picked up and converted. Okay. So that's a really good way to do a set of pictures. So that's quite quick.